I'll try to explain it one more time and just along with this, right? So price was coming up here, right? So right here is where the first sign of weakness. They're losing it. Came up again, didn't have closes above. Came up again. Harder to identify in your, yeah, it will be for a while, bro. Came up again, lost it. So like when you lose a level, like it's, you need to keep track of that. So in this trend, right, the level that was lost is this, right? Even though they made new highs and like there's levels here, the level that was lost in the trend is right here, right? Because they didn't make new closes above this, right? This was the thing that they needed to close above, and they didn't. So this was the level that they lost. So if you draw a line here where this level is, you can see how important that level is, right? Like you can see that there's many, this is the area to get back above, and they're not doing it, right? So you can see every time it goes to that area, there's sellers, because people know that this is the important level to get back above. They tried to gain it here. They tried to gain it here. They didn't have a close above. So the next time they came up, you know what I mean? People are going to short the shit out of that. People are going to short the shit out of that, you know what I mean? Because they, you know, they didn't make new closes above. So like they're showing weakness. Even though they made this pump like this, it's not all about the pumps. It's about how things close and what things close above and stuff, you know what I mean? Does it have to have a reason to fail? No, it's everything's just price action. Yeah, the news, like if you think about things like news and the reasons, what news does is just it pours fuel onto the price action. You know what I mean? So like there's always a spot, or there's always a level or something that price action is trying to do, and the only reason is because of price action. It's not because of news. It's not because of anything else, man, really. What news will do will fuel the fire and like accelerate things. You know, accelerate things quickly to go to a level, but once it hits the level, you know, there's big orders there. There's people with big money that have orders there. You know what I mean? So it doesn't matter how fast it goes there. Once it gets there, that's where the big orders are. You know.